Hi, Stefan Swartling here. In this video I will show you how you can activate Apple's iCloud private relay on an iPhone. It works also on an iPad and Mac, exactly the same as on the iPhone. So if you watch this video on how to activate iCloud private relay, you can do it also on your iPad and Mac. So iCloud private relay is a really nifty feature for your privacy. It works almost the same as a VPN service, but with iCloud private relay, it only works in Safari, and a huge difference is that no one can see your IP address, not even Apple. So you are totally anonymous when using Safari with iCloud private relay. When iCloud private relay is enabled, your requests are sent through two separate secure internet relays. Your IP address is visible to your network provider and to the first relay that is operated by Apple, but your DNS records are encrypted, so neither party can see the address of the website you are trying to visit. The second relay, which is operated by a third-party content provider, generates a temporary IP address, not your real IP address, and decrypts the name of the website you requested and connects you to the site. All of this is done using the latest internet standards to maintain high performance and browsing experience while protecting your privacy. In this way, no one can see exactly who you are and with what IP address you have when surfing the web through the Safari web browser on your Apple device. So always use Safari for the best privacy on your Apple device and enable iCloud private relay. So how do you enable iCloud private relay then? Well, first go into settings. In settings, you click on your account and you need iCloud Plus account to be able to use iCloud private relay. So click iCloud here, and here you can see the private relay beta. In this example, I have turned it off to show you how to turn it on. So click on private relay beta. Here you see a bit of text about the iCloud private relay, and down here you see you can turn private relay on. Do so, and then you get another choice, the IP address location, and this depends on which country you are living in. For example, I live in Sweden, so for me it's best to use country and time zone. I don't need another specific location here in Sweden, but if you live in USA, for example, you maybe have different time zones and different states and so on, so you can choose maintain generic location, because then you give everyone a more precise location where you are to have some benefits for that, but you don't give out your real IP address. But I use country and time zone. So now we have actually activated iCloud private relay. So let's see which kind of IP address I get now when surfing the web. So open Safari web browser, and in Safari web browser we will use a really great service to see how good your privacy is and so on, and what IP address you have at the moment. So we type whoer.net, as you can see there, whoer.net. That is a really great web server. So you can see the web address there, whoer.net. So now if I update this page, you see that this page can't see where I am more than my country. I have a fake IP address that the iCloud private relay gives me, and the ISP, my internet service provider, is iCloud private relay. In the real, I have Telia here in Sweden, but you can't see that anymore. So it looks like my ISP is iCloud private relay. So I'm totally anonymous here, and the host name is, as you can see, a really long name there, and the IP address you can see up here, and that that is not from Sweden or anything. It's a fake IP address, and the host name is a really long one here from Apple. You can see it's an iPhone. You can see that I'm using Safari, and I have a DNS address here, and that is not the same as the IP up here, as you can see, and that is because it uses two secure internet relays to have the whole in iCloud private relay. So you get one DNS address and one IP address when using iCloud private relay. But none of these is my real IP address. They are both fake, and the iCloud private relay gives it to me. And as you can see, I don't use a proxy, and you can see that the IP address is not blacklisted, and my disguise is 100%. So I'm totally private and very anonymous. So this iCloud private relay works awesome. But remember, this only works in Safari, so don't use Chrome or Firefox or anything else. No Brave here. And this works only on iPad, iPhone and Mac. So basically you don't need a VPN service if you have iCloud Plus subscription with Apple and using iCloud private relay instead in Safari. That is if you only need to be protected and secure when surfing the web. If you want to be protected and secure when using other apps like Facebook app and other apps, maybe you use another web browser, you shouldn't do that. But if you want to use Chrome or whatever for some strange reason, then you need a VPN to be protected. But if you only want to be protected while surfing the web, the iCloud private relay is the only thing you need. Another thing you need to do to be sure that you're using iCloud private relay on your phone, iPad or Mac is to go into network settings. We start with Wi-Fi here, and your Wi-Fi network, you click on the I symbol. Then you need to scroll down and activate iCloud private relay here. It usually is normally activated when you are turning on iCloud private relay, so you don't need to turn it on here, but sometimes it gets deactivated, or maybe you need to deactivate because you don't want to use iCloud private relay with this Wi-Fi network, for example. But you need to have this activated to be able to use it on that Wi-Fi network. And the same thing with the mobile network. So here in your cellular settings, in the settings app, you need to turn iCloud private relay on in the settings too, if it's not already on. So now I can use iCloud private relay on both cellular and Wi-Fi. So that's it. That is what you need to do to be able to use iCloud private relay. And I can highly recommend it. I'm using it together with a VPN, NordVPN. So when I need to be protected for everything, I turn on NordVPN and then have iCloud private relay in the background, enable when needed. So if, for example, NordVPN drops the connection, then iCloud private relay protects me in Safari. And the other way around, if iCloud private relay for some reason stops working or not activated anymore, then NordVPN can protect me. So I use both a VPN and iCloud private relay, and you can use them together, but the VPN connection will be over your iCloud private relay, so you are not double protected, if you know what I mean. So the NordVPN in my case is the one that gets the connection. I get a NordVPN IP address instead of the iCloud private relay IP address. Okay, that's it. Bye.